Come on in, come on up, come on over for the merriest time of year. Come on up, come on in, get together for a good time, smile my dear. Come on in, come on up, come on over, we'll be dancing round the tree. So let us have a swinging Christmas, just like 1, 2, 3.
G'day guys, welcome back. It's day 13 of the Advent calendar created by Bridge Road Brewers, and it's been brilliant. I've been learning a lot about it and really enjoying what I'm doing. I've been at work today. It's a bit of a balmy day. It's about 30 degrees Celsius. It's been hot already. It's a bit overcast now, so I reckon we're going to get a bit humid now. Being in Victoria, our climate just changes from freezing cold to hot. I just made a beer. You probably noticed in a couple of my last videos I was doing some brewing, and it basically overflowed. Oh, you'll see a picture of it happening anyway. It was overflowing and it was just making a mess, so I had to go and do a pipe off the outlet into a bottle so that the brew would just bubble up in the bottle rather than spill all over my house. And I had to take it inside because the shed was getting too warm. It was down up to about 25 degrees yesterday in the shed, and to do that to yeast is not very good, especially the ale yeast I've been using in Nottingham. So today, this beer looks interesting so far. I don't know really what it is. Another independent. It's Van DIEMAN Brewing. Looks like from Tasmania. It's day for it. It's just a day for it. 4.1 on the alcohol volume. Any write-ups on it? I can't really read. It's pretty really fine print. Let me see. So vandiemanbrewing.com.au, share cold, drink fresh. Store cold, drink fresh. Fermented in oak. Oh, that's interesting. Lagered in stainless. So there you go. So it's called day for it. Let's try it, Let's pour it out. No hands full. No hoppy scent. Pretty standard. Very soft smell. Now obviously it's a lager, so because it said lagered. Nice little pour here. It's very carbonated. Probably poured that a bit rough. Shouldn't have, but there you go. That's our beer. Look at the carbonation. It is phenomenal. The amount of carbonation in that. That is just unbelievable. Look at it go. It is not slowing down either. Look at that. Wow. Interesting. Alright. Smell through the foam. Small amount of hops. Sweetness again. But I always say that. But when I taste it, it's always dry. But the lager is normally sweet. Now I was going to start doing lager tastings from different places in Australia. And I guess this is a good start. Look at that. It's still bubbling. It's still going. Wow. The colour is very nice. It's very straw colour. Oh, interesting. Go. Oh, definitely carbonated. Oh, sorry. Tasty. It's not giant in full flavour. Hops don't really come out in that one. I'm tasting toast. Nothing much. It's just a normal beer. It's basic. It's not too bad. It's got a bitterness. The bitterness is coming through now. It doesn't really say what the IBU is. When I find out, I'll pop it up here. It's oak fermented pilsner. So that's what it's saying. Alcohol can be lifelong. Pregnancy warning. Alcohol can cause lifelong harm to your baby. Oh, okay. So yeah, I'll find out if I can. I'll pop it up on the screen here and tell you what IBU it is. The alcohol volume is 4.1 and it's very highly carbonated. So now it's settled down a bit. That's nice. This is a beer. It's not totally sweet at all. It's got a dryness about it. It's full flavoured but balanced. I think it's okay. It's not a bad beer. It's one you just sit, watch the footy with and just sip on. It's just like a normal beer that you get from a pub, which is fine. It's not a craft kind of beer, or one that stands out as a high hop like IPAs and stuff like that. I think I should have started on lagers first. Anyway, that is a good beer. I'm enjoying that. Oh, now I'm getting a biscuity taste. That's coming through now. Yeah, biscuit. I'm getting that. Oh, it's coming through now. I don't know the description anybody else has come through, but this is a nice beer. Very nice. Yeah, definitely biscuity. You're getting that. If you guys have ever had a milk biscuit, one of those milk kind of biscuits, a Cadbury, not Cadbury, Arnott's make, I believe, that's the flavour. It's kind of a milky, not highly sweet, biscuity flavour. That's what I'm getting. It's nice. It's not bad. I like it. All right, ready for the next one? We're going to be in day 14 tomorrow, and these beers are coming out pretty good. I'm enjoying it. So guys, thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video. I'm getting great comments, and if you need a comment, please do. I like talking to you down there and getting your ideas, and especially about the beers. I usually go on Untapped and comment about these beers, but by the time I've filmed it, edited it, uploaded it and set it all up, it's time for bed and I have to start again the next day. So like I said, it's been a challenge, and we're getting there. I'll get through it, and it's a challenge that I gave myself, and I'm glad you guys are watching. Cheers. Alright guys, thank you very much for watching again. Thanks for subscribing. We'll see you on the next one. Cheers.